I know one thing for certain. Your boy over here got to go to the bathroom. Sweating bullets over here, boss. Some sweating bullets.
Turn left on Fulton Industrial Boulevard Southwest.
Mm-hmm. I'm on the struggle bus over here. Old Arby's roast beef sandwich is talking to me. Bro, I'm in a bind.
The bubble guts.
Oh, Jesus. Lock it up, Rob. Lock it up.
Push the expansion.
Not push it.
Y'all laughing. Y'all know y'all been there a bunch of times if you've been driving trucks any amount of time. Ooh wee. We did make it.
Last time I barely made it to the bathroom, man.
Accident averted. Had to put my safety vest on for that one. Jesus. Anyways, I got checked in, and I had called dispatch yesterday when I got this load, or when they got into the office, and I asked because it showed on my order as a live unload, and that's the way they have it here. But dispatch said no, as long as you're not more than 24 hours, you can go ahead and take it. Well, technically, that's not the case. But luckily they have an empty, so they're gonna let me go ahead and drop it. Because they said you can do that dropping, but not when it's a live load or live unload, which makes sense to me. But I'm just going by what dispatch said. But anyways, luckily they have an empty. So get turned around. Make this, yeah. All right. So sometimes dispatch don't exactly know. And they knew it was alive too, because when we were talking on the phone, he was like, yeah, it's live, but you can be there. Now y'all need to stop telling them lies. Which I'm happy that about it being a drop, because that just means all I got to do now is run over here, drop this trailer, run back across to the other side of the building, pick up the empty, and then I'm on the road, headed back to no, I got to go to Union City. Shoot, headed over to Union City to pick up a load, then head back to Florida. Because I ain't lying, I'm trying to go to the beach tomorrow. At least for about 4 or 5 hours. My family will be in the Gulf at Gulf Shores, and I'll be on the Atlantic. over in Fort Pierce. Speed bump. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. All right, well, that's the Bagel Bites load complete. I done got my bill signed, about to drop the trailer. And I'll probably pick back up with you guys once I get over to Union City and get under that load. That's probably what we're gonna do, but hopefully you can see something while I'm driving. I know it's dark on this one, but let me get this trailer dropped and I will catch y'all on the next one. Oh, I did that like I've done this before. I'm gonna do a I'm gonna have to get my, what do you call them things? A little things you put on your head. I'll have to get that out, hooked up, working, so I can back up, show y'all my backing skills or lack thereof. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love.